Guys, we are back in Flush. We're back in Flushing for some more food. Oh my God, yo, the food out here is amazing.
Don't judge us.
Yo, the food, and you guys have to come out here and eat. I can't believe it. And there's so many restaurants. I'm gonna show you some pictures and clips and B-roll and everything. But yo, we're back out here and we gotta try some more food.
It's still winter. That means it was just the other day we were here.
Yeah, it's 12 degrees out. It's cold as shit. Freezing my toto. But guys, we're gonna take you somewhere to try some food.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe because it's going down.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Ooh, look with the fur.
I think it's an animal.
I don't know what that is. That's just furry.
So cool. Oh, almost done now. So pretty.
I think it's N1. N1. Spicy Cumin Lamb Noodles. Can you see it? Just a picture of it.
Is N1 really popular?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. And it's extra spicy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
46号。
Well, we got the food.
We got the goods, guys. Guys, we went to Xian Famous Foods in Flushing. Here's, look, can y'all see that? Can y'all see that?
Zen, maybe?
That's where we went, and we got the spicy Cumin lamb hand-ripped noodles. She said it's very popular.
Yes. So just so you know, there's a regular, a mild, and then a super spicy.
We got it super spicy. We
Of
asked for
course.
extra spicy.
Of course. And we had gotten a sauce. Where to go?
Guys, it's about to go down. So, guys, we're going to say grace, and we're going to jump right in. Oh, and we got a juice. And we got,
And we got this sauce.
yeah. There's a sign that says you got to get the spicy chili sauce.
He said put that shit on everything.
And then we got this sour horberry tea.
Homemade tea. That's their homemade tea.
All right, guys, so let's say grace and jump right in and tell you.
right.
And the noodles was $10.25, guys. Not bad, not bad.
at
All
all.
right, so let's say grace.
All right, Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Bless it before we eat it. Amen.
Grace. Let's eat. Ooh, ladies first. Oh, you got chopsticks. You fancy.
Chopsticks.
Guys, it's a little dark because sun's going down. But we eating in the car. We're trying to eat it hot. We couldn't wait to get home. You got to eat
I'm
these.
going to take a bite. The noodles are long.
Oh, they're long?
They're super long.
Sounds like you're going to make a mess.
What do I look like?
Oh, no.
See?
Hold it. You got the bowl?
Super Bowl.
You know what? You take a bite and you don't have to pass it to me to take a bite because this look difficult.
All right, here, take a bite.
Oh, you left your chopstick in there.
It is spicy.
Oh, I can't even get a noodle out.
Oh wow.
Oh, I'm about to make a mess. Guys, look at this. Can y'all see the noodles? Can y'all see this? Man. I'm gonna take the noodle.
You want me to take my spoons?
Yes, please. Take a chopstick out. You just messing me up. I'm getting slapped in the head with a chopstick. Look at, guys. It is a little spicy, but yeah, the noodles is long, so we're having a hard time. It's a struggle.
Clearly, we suck. It's hot. It's spicy.
Yeah, I don't know why we got the extra spicy.
Oh, I can tell you why. You want me to tell you?
Woo! Woo-hoo!
Okay, we like everything hot. Hot. Who's that?
You mad loud and extra.
Who do y'all think that sound like?
What? What?
Who does that sound like?
Eat the food. You
Chef
mad extra. That's not me.
That was you. Alright, we don't have to get it. We don't have to get it. We'll keep it regular. And then he looks at me with a face.
I'm gonna need some of that juice. This thing hot.
It's flavorful though.
Maybe
I took a piece of the noodle that didn't have as much of the sauce on it, and it was good.
I got one. I got one.
Oof.
You see that?
This is like you gotta go home and put it in a different bowl, or a plate or something. It's just too
The noodles
stuff together.
The noodles are nice and soft.
Yeah.
You can taste the lamb. Definitely taste the lamb. I don't recommend getting the extra spicy. Get regular.
Yeah, get regular.
It's a little hot. I mean, we're used to it, so I can eat this. But for people that's not used to heat, I don't recommend getting the extra spicy. And she asked us, you want mild, regular, extra spicy? You know, my dumb ass. Extra spicy. My dumb skunk. Extra spicy.
I think if we would have got even the mild, I think would have been amazing.
I wish I could see the plate. It's just a struggle right now.
Go ahead, Chef.
No. Go ahead. Go ahead.
The distance too far.
Go ahead.
Okay, good. Let me try this juice. Give me a second. This is delicious.
Hot.
You need some of this. This is really good.
The strawberry juice?
Yeah.
Yeah, eat some of this noodle.
Really good.
That noodle's hot. I tell you, that noodle's really hot.
Wow.
Yeah, this
I
juice.
like that.
It's good. It's good.
And she said that was the most popular one. They had other flavors, like different ones.
It is good.
But she said that one was the most popular one. So, you know, we like to try what's popping. So why not, right?
It's really good. You got the lid? Yo, that thing hot. I ain't gonna lie. My lips are on fire.
I think this even has cabbage in it.
My lips is on fire.
I'm glad we only got one spicy one.
Facts. Yo, there's so much yummy food out here in Flushing. I recommend everyone coming out here to Flushing and trying some of this Chinese cuisine. It's good.
Authentic.
It's not your regular fast food chicken wings and French fries. No. Like, I'm gonna drop some clips of all the restaurants we saw, all the different foods. It's amazing. But like I said, don't get that extra hot. My lip on fire. But it's good. It's good.
It's good. I think I'm okay for now.
All right, take your fork out. Let me get some more. So y'all can see. I want y'all to see this plate. Look at this. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to adjust this camera. Y'all need to see. Look at this. Look at this. It's busting. But these noodles are long.
Choking on the juice. That was good.
It was. I'm still eating.
My mouth is on fire, no lie.
And you know what makes it more hot? The Cumin. The Cumins? Because it's called Spicy Lamb Cumin Noodles, right?
Yeah. I really do feel like that sauce that we brought is all over that thing. Ooh. Where's that sauce? What is it?
I bought that sauce.
Xian Famous Food.
I bought that sauce not for this though.
Soybean oil, chili powder, Chinese spices. Chili oil.
You want a piece of lamb? Y'all see that lamb? This is lamb.
Delicious. The lamb is so tender.
Mm-hmm.
It's really soft. I like that. I don't like my lamb to be tough. I like it to be nice and flavorful, soft, juicy. That lamb, that's what it was.
I'm gonna give this right here a 9.
9 is good.
My fault. Because if it wasn't so hot, I probably would have gave it a 10. I don't know why I said extra spicy. Whew, my nose is on fire.
Y'all think Chef Trini learned his lesson about spicy?
Nope.
No.
All right, I'm gonna take one more bite.
Because we go somewhere else, we go say, I want it hot.
Yo, these noodles are so huge. Look at these noodles. They're huge. They're soft. They're tender. They're amazing.
And they're pretty filling.
I just wish I found that other food I was looking for. I'm looking for I'm not gonna say it. Save it for another video. Let me take my last bite.
We might find it. We might just find it.
Mm-mm.
There's so much restaurants out here. So many.
Got napkins? Oh my god, I'm stuffed. Yeah, those noodles are filling. Thank you.
You're welcome. They are filling.
Those noodles are very filling. That's good. Whew. I'm stuffed.
I like this. I love trying new food.
Me too. This is our first time trying it. It's really good.
Do you guys recommend for us to try anything else?
I would go back. I'm not getting extra spicy.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
No. I'm still choking. That extra spicy hot.
But it's really, it's flavorful. Like, it has good flavor. It has great texture.
Whew.
This is really amazing.
What do you give it? I give it a 9.
I give it a 9 too.
Yeah, you just want to be like me.
Okay.
That's exactly what it is.
All the time.
If it wasn't
Right.
hot, I would have gave it a 10.
The same exact reason I said.
I'm talking to Chef and
You want to be just like me. You gave it a 9 for the same exact reason
Yeah.
as me. Guys, that's it.
Other than that, it was amazing.
Yo, guys, comment below if we need any other restaurants y'all want us to try out here in Flushing. Any other different types of food, authentic Chinese food.
Yeah, even if it's
Let
not
us know.
Russian, it's okay.
Yeah, it's definitely not okay. She always.
Okay.
Yeah, let me guess. You paying the gas? You driving?
I'm not driving. I'll pay gas.
Okay, totally. Yeah, somebody gonna comment. Go to Florida. Try this restaurant. You going?
All right. In New York.
Anyways, guys, we hope you like our video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all notifications so you don't miss nothing.
Absolutely.
And we are out.